In today's video, I'm going to teach you DocuSign rooms, how to send documents for signature, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, you'll land on the sender home screen. From here, you have two easy paths. If you already have a reusable setup, click Start and choose Templates. Templates are great because they come preloaded with recipients, roles, and signature fields, which saves a lot of time. Just pick the template you want to use and you're halfway there. If you don't have a template or you're working with a brand new document, choose Upload instead. Select your file from your computer or cloud storage and wait for it to finish uploading. Make sure your document is the final version before moving on. It's always easier to correct typos and formatting before you send it for signatures. Next, add the recipient details. Enter the name and email for the person who needs to sign. If more than one person needs to sign, open the Add Recipients section and click Add Multiple Recipients. Here you can add everyone at once. If you want people to sign in a specific order, set the routing order so the document reaches each signer at the right time. Double check email addresses for accuracy to prevent bounce backs or delays. Now add a message. This is the subject line and body your recipients will see in their inbox. Keep it short and clear. Let them know what the document is and if there's a deadline. Clear context increases the chances they'll sign quickly. When your recipients and message look good, click Sign to open the preparation view. This lets you confirm that signature, date, and initial fields are placed correctly. If you used a template, most of this is already done. With an uploaded document, drag any needed fields onto the page. Take a moment to preview each page so your signers won't be confused. When everything is in place, click Finish. You'll return to the sending screen to confirm the details. Review the subject line, message, and recipients one more time. If all looks correct, click Send to deliver the document for signature. That's it. Your recipients will get an email with a secure link to sign, and you'll receive notifications as each person completes their part. You can track progress in DocuSign, resend reminders if needed, and download the completed document once everyone has finished. Follow these steps and you'll be sending documents for signature with confidence in just a few minutes.